So we went to the Hot Wheels Monster Jam here in Corpus Christi, Texas at the American Bank Center. And it was a lot of fun. I want to give a big shout out to my supervisor, co-worker, my main man, Leo Duque, who invited me and my boys. Probably would not have gone if we did not get that invite. Very gracious. Thank you very much. We had so much fun. One thing about the Hot Wheels Monster Jam, it's not like the normal Monster Jam that you might see on the internet where they're doing all kinds of jumps and crashing and spinning on themselves and getting up and flips. That's not what goes on at the Hot Wheels Monster Jam. It's more kid oriented. This one was the glow in the dark, the glow party. So all the monster trucks had lighting on them on the exterior, so they couldn't be crashing. They'd be busting all their lights inside. So it was very, it's geared towards kids, Hot Wheels, and so the whole thing was a little tame, if you ask me, but it was loud. You could feel the engines. It was a blast. Check out some of the footage we have.
Is that a dragon? Arcticon. Oh, you can see it.
And so this guy, the day before, I found out we were going to go on Friday, right? We got the tickets Friday. I come home, I tell my kids, we're going to go see Monster Jam. We're going to see. And they already had some of these toys. I did not buy these. They've had these toys, these Monster Jam, Monster Truck toys. And Jude kept on asking me, is this one going to be there? Is that one going to be there? Well, sure enough, Tiger Shark was one of the monster trucks that was there. But the main attraction and the one who's always wins, I think, it's geared towards is Bigfoot. It's the 50-year anniversary. Bigfoot was the main attraction. He was winning all the different rounds of contests and things. And at the very end, he's the finale. the driver, he wrecked. It was not part of the show. He made a turn too wide. Boom! He hit one of the other monster trucks that was just there parked, and he got out. You could tell this was not planned, and I didn't catch it on camera. But I did catch the wreck on camera, but I didn't catch him. The driver walks off, and he throws his helmet. He was pissed. He was not happy. He cost them probably a lot of money. And then later, maybe the executive producer of the race or whoever, the main guy, comes out and was talking about how he's done this for 20 something years. The track there at the American Bank was one of the hardest. They were slipping all over the place, and it was a cool part, unexpected. This is one of the reasons why you go to motorsports, to see something like that. So we did, and it was a blast. Lots of kids, good to see. It was a good I felt like it was a pretty good showing. Had to be 60, 70%, maybe 80% full. So it was a pretty good crowd. So hopefully we will make it back next year. And now we're like, hey, we got to go to one of these big ones. Because again, American Bank Center is not big enough to have a real monster jam like that. You got to go to this huge arena, I would imagine. So until then, stay tuned. Jamin's Daily. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned because the best is yet to come.